So in today class, I'll be discussing opacity, display, visibility, overflow. These are also very important CSS properties. These four are also very important properties. Okay. Our voice are always noisy. Okay, just listen to this first. This is div tag. Okay. We'll be covering all those topics. Okay. The voice are very style. PACKGR. They look at this one. So this is our new program, and that's our new division. Okay. What is the color? What is the color of division, Ravi? Exactly. Okay. So if I want to give one more division, if I want to give one more division, okay, but as of now, one division is quite enough to demonstrate all those properties. So first one, opacity. See this one. Now what I'm going to do is, let's work on the opacity in the initial days. Okay. Opacity 1 means there will be completely visible. Okay. So when you give opacity, some if the opacity is 0. Sorry, the opacity is 1. The transparency of the division is remains the same. If the opacity value decreases from 1 to 0.5, the transparency of the division will be reduced to 50%. Yeah. If I give quality opacity equal to 0%, then the visible won't be visible. Then so what is this? What is this property? Opacity. Yeah. Okay, ma. So this is opacity property. Let me talk about the display and visibility and overflow. Okay, these are also very important. So this is our division. See, what if I can give something like like slightly the transparency of the division is decreased. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just look at this. See, visibility and hidden. Display inline block. Overflow. Let me talk about the overflow. Okay, let me talk about the overflow. If I have the overflow content for this particular division,